Imagine. You are sitting on a plane at 16,000 feet. You're looking out the window. Maybe scrolling through your phone. Maybe talking to the person next to you. And then, a section of the airplane suddenly explodes outward into the sky. A deafening roar fills the cabin. Freezing air rushes inside. Passengers scream. Loose objects are sucked toward a gaping hole in the side of the aircraft. For a few terrifying seconds, it feels like the airplane is falling apart. This isn't a movie scene. This actually happened. And it would become one of the most shocking aviation incidents in recent American history. January 5, 2024. Alaska Airlines Flight 1282 takes off from Portland, Oregon, heading toward California. Everything appears normal. The Boeing 737 MAX 9 climbs steadily into the evening sky. On board are 171 passengers and 6 crew members. Most of them expect an ordinary flight. But less than 10 minutes after takeoff, something goes horribly wrong. Without warning, bang! A panel known as a door plug violently blows off the side of the aircraft. The explosion creates a massive hole in the cabin. Air pressure instantly drops. Oxygen masks fall from the ceiling. The sound is so loud that many passengers can't even hear each other screaming. Imagine being there. One moment you're on a routine flight. The next, you're staring directly into the open sky at 16,000 feet. And here's the terrifying part. The missing panel was located only a few rows behind the wing. If the incident had happened at a higher altitude, or if passengers had been sitting in slightly different positions, the outcome could have been much worse. As chaos unfolds inside the cabin, the pilots face an unimaginable challenge. They have only seconds to react. Communication becomes difficult. Warning alarms activate. The aircraft is damaged. Hundreds of lives depend on every decision made in the cockpit. The crew immediately begins an emergency descent. Meanwhile, passengers hold on to their seats, trying to understand what just happened. Some believe the plane may crash. Others quietly send messages to loved ones. Many simply stare at the massive hole where part of the airplane used to be. And then comes the longest few minutes of their lives. The aircraft turns back toward Portland. Every second feels endless. Every vibration feels dangerous. Nobody knows if more damage is hidden beneath the surface. Nobody knows what will happen next. Finally, after a tense emergency return, the aircraft lands safely. Against all odds, every passenger survives. No fatalities. No catastrophic crash. But the story is far from over. Investigators soon begin searching for answers. How could a nearly new passenger jet lose an entire section of its fuselage? As investigators examine the aircraft, a disturbing possibility begins to emerge. The door plug may not have been properly secured. Reports later reveal that several critical bolts designed to keep the panel in place may have been missing. Suddenly, what seemed like a freak accident raises much larger questions. Questions about manufacturing. Questions about quality control. Questions about how close America came to witnessing a major aviation disaster. The incident triggers nationwide inspections. Hundreds of aircraft are grounded. Regulators launch investigations. Airlines demand answers. And travelers everywhere begin wondering the same thing. If a piece of an airplane can simply detach in midair, how safe are we really? In the end, Alaska Airlines Flight 1282 did not become a tragedy. It became a warning. A reminder that even in an age of advanced technology, tiny mistakes can create enormous consequences. Because sometimes, disaster doesn't begin with a dramatic explosion. Sometimes, it begins with a few missing bolts. And on a cold evening above Oregon, those missing bolts nearly changed hundreds of lives forever.